Introducing the Smokie range of premium smoke detectors from MATelec Australia. Precision detection, reliable home protection, and complete system control, the Smarter Smokie. Because when it comes to fire safety, every second matters. With Smokie, you're not just installing a detector, you're securing what you care about and value the most. With advanced dual-spectrum technology on select Smokie models that features an advanced detection algorithm based on airborne particle size, smoke is detected faster and more accurately. What does this mean for you? Well, it cuts down on false alarms from factors like dust accumulation, cooking smoke and steam, or even that annoying false alarm at 3 a.m. in high humidity areas where it may be prone to condensation developing. But it's not only about avoiding false alarms, it also ensures more accurate and quicker detection of real danger, getting back more life-saving seconds to get to safety. Multiple units can be interconnected for full home coverage, whether hardwired or wireless, so that when one alarm in the network detects danger, all sound, ideal for large homes or multi-story dwellings. And with 1 or 10-year battery backup options, protection stays active during power outages, ensuring uninterrupted safety all the time. Features like hush mode, alarm memory, and optional remote control simplify testing and maintenance, and they're quick to mount and easy to wire, designed to make every job simpler and save the busy electrician time on site. Built to perform in Australian conditions, are Australian standards compliant and backed by a 7-year warranty. The MATelec Australia Smokie range delivers accurate and dependable whole home protection that's backed by expert support whenever you need it. That is the Smarter Smokie difference. Smokie, protection through detection.